Hello student, in previous lecture we saw the Schwarzschild exterior solution and we derived its equation, which is nothing but our line element, which we called as the gravitational field, and has a radius as r equals to twice m. And also we saw the singularity of a Schwarzschild exterior solution. The Schwarzschild exterior solution, which is given by ds square equals to 1 minus twice m upon r. Here it is minus its inverse dr square minus r square d theta square plus sine square theta d phi square plus 1 minus twice m upon r dt square. And also we saw the singularity of this Schwarzschild exterior solution as r equals to 0 and r equals to twice m. R equals to 0 is called as a real or physical singularity, and r equals to twice m, this is called as the Schwarzschild or Schwarzschild singularity or mathematical singularity, right? And this is also called r equals to twice m as the radius of Schwarzschild radius. Okay, now we see our today's topic is Schwarzschild solution in isotropic coordinate. That is, we have to transform this Schwarzschild exterior solution into the isotropic form. And the isotropic form, we write firstly the definition of isotropic form, and we change by taking suitable coordinate transformation that we are taking here. R is equals to rho 1 plus m upon twice rho its square. So we are defining the radial coordinate, new radial coordinate, that is rho, in terms of r, that is r is defining in this way, and using this transformation we transform this line element. Okay, so we firstly see what is the isotropic form, definition of the isotropic form. So isotropic form, which is defined as the metric in terms of ds square is equals to minus a of r dr square in bracket dr square plus r square d theta square plus r square sine square theta d phi square plus b of r dt square. That is, we have out of this bracket we have the term a in terms of radial coordinate, and the coefficient of dt square is also in terms of the radial coordinate. So this form is called as the isotropic form of the line element. And to express the Schwarzschild solution in this isotropic form, the Schwarzschild solution, we give this as a this is called as the isotropic form. So is called as isotropic form of a line element. And to express Schwarzschild exterior solution given by ds square equals to minus 1 minus twice m upon r its inverse dr square minus r square d theta square plus sine square theta d phi square plus 1 minus twice m upon r dt square. We give this as equation number 1, and to express Schwarzschild exterior solution, this we have to express this Schwarzschild exterior solution in this above form. Okay, so in the above form we define, as I said previously, we have to define the new radial variable. So we define that radial variable, we define a new radial variable rho such that r is equals to rho in bracket 1 plus m upon twice rho its square. Now r is defined here. Now to change this Schwarzschild exterior solution into this form, we have to calculate dr. Okay, we have to calculate r square, we have to calculate 1 minus twice m upon r, because this term is here. So what we have to calculate to convert this form into this form? R is given here, so we have to calculate 1 minus twice m upon r. We have to calculate dr, we have to find dr square, we have to find r square, we have to find all this quantity, and substituting here the value of whatever the value of 1 minus twice m upon r comes, we have to substitute here. The value of dr square comes, we have to substitute here, and the value of r square. Okay, so you have to just remembering this transformation, we have to calculate these values. 1 minus twice m upon r, taking its inverse, dr square, r square, and we get the required form. Okay, so we calculate firstly r square. So r square is equals to, now r square is equals to rho square 1 plus m upon twice rho to the power 4. Now we have to calculate 1 minus twice m upon r. Okay, now 1 minus twice m upon r, which is equals to 1 minus twice m upon r is nothing but our rho 1 plus m upon twice rho its square, which is equals to, we can write this as 1 minus twice m. We can take this rho to numerator. Okay, so this can be written as twice m upon rho divided by 1 plus m upon twice rho bracket square. Now we can multiply this here, so we can take the cross multiplication, which is equals to 1 plus m upon twice rho its square minus twice m upon rho, okay, divided by 1 plus m upon twice rho to the power 4, which is equals to 1 plus m upon twice rho whole square equals to 1 plus m upon rho, because 2 to get cancelled here, so we have m upon rho plus m upon twice rho whole square, so it is m square upon 4 rho square minus twice m upon divided by 1 plus m upon twice rho whole to the power 4. Now we have 1 minus 2 is minus, this is m upon rho, this is minus twice m upon rho, so this is equals to, the calculation equals to minus m upon rho. Okay, so we write this as, so 1 minus m upon rho plus m square upon 4 rho square divided by 1 plus m upon twice rho whole bracket square, which is equals to, now this is same as 1 minus m upon twice rho whole bracket square. As opening this bracket, we get 1 square equals to 1 minus 2 into 1 into m upon twice rho, so 2 to get cancelled, so we get m upon plus m square upon 4 rho square. Okay, that is a minus b whole bracket square equals to a square minus 2ab plus b square. We are applying the bracket a minus b whole square formula, so this is equals, and denominator equals to 1 plus m upon twice rho whole square. So 1 minus twice m upon r has this value, and the reciprocal, we have to take reciprocal afterwards. Also we have to calculate dr. Okay, so to calculate dr, we have as r is equals to rho 1 plus m upon twice rho whole square. So this is equals to rho, opening this bracket, 1 plus m upon rho plus m square upon 4 rho square. So this is in bracket term, this is equals to r, that is equals to rho plus m plus, multiplying this bracket by rho, so rho plus m square upon 4 rho. This r is equals to this. Now dr, this implies dr is equals to, now differentiating this, so dr equals to d rho. The m is constant here, so this is equals to 0 plus m square upon 4. The derivative of 1 upon rho is minus 1 upon rho square d rho. So this is equals to d rho, taking common in bracket we have 1 minus m square upon 4 rho square d rho is here taking commons. So this is dr. Now we want dr square. So this is dr square is equals to 1 minus m square upon 4 rho square whole bracket square d rho square. Now we substitute this value of r dr square 1 minus twice m upon r in equation 1. So equation 1 implies, that is Schwarzschild. Now the Schwarzschild exterior solution in equation 1 implies ds square is equals to minus, now 1 minus twice m upon r inverse is here, so we have to take the reciprocal of this term. Okay, so 1 plus m upon twice rho square is comes in numerator, this comes in the denominator. So this is equals to 1 plus m upon twice rho its square upon 1 minus m upon twice rho its square into dr square. Dr square equals to this term 1 minus m square upon 4 rho square whole square d rho square minus the value of r square. R square is nothing but our this term, and its square is square of that. So square of that is r is nothing but our this term. So square of this is r equals to r square equals to rho square 1 plus m upon twice rho to the power 4. So minus rho square 1 plus m upon twice rho square its square, that is equals to 4, and in bracket we have d theta square plus sine square theta d phi square plus 1 minus twice m upon r. This is same as this term. Okay, so this is equals to 1 minus m upon twice rho square upon 1 plus m upon twice rho square. So this is equals to plus 1 minus m upon twice rho its square upon 1 plus m upon twice rho its square dt square. Okay, now we solve this equation, we simplify this equation to get our isotropic form in this as this equation. So we write this equation as ds square equals to, now m square upon 4 rho square can be written as m upon twice rho whole bracket square. So we write this as 1 minus 1 plus m upon twice rho whole bracket square upon 1 minus m upon twice rho whole bracket square 1 minus m upon twice rho its square whole bracket square d rho square minus rho square 1 plus m upon twice rho to the power 4 d theta square plus sine square theta d phi square plus 1 minus m upon twice rho its square upon 1 plus m upon twice rho whole bracket square dt square, which is equals to, now 1 minus m upon twice rho square is same as a square minus b square. A square minus b square is nothing but this is equals to a plus b into a minus b. Okay, so we are applying this term here, the formula of a minus a square minus b square, okay, which is equals to a plus b into a minus b. So this we write as minus 1 plus m upon twice rho its square upon 1 minus m upon twice rho its square, and this is equals to 1 minus m upon twice rho into 1 plus m upon twice rho this is the formula for a square minus b square, and whole bracket to the square d rho square minus rho square 1 plus m upon twice rho whole to the power 4 d theta square plus sine square theta d phi square plus 1 minus m upon twice rho square upon 1 plus m upon twice rho whole square dt square. Now this is equals to, now as here it is bracket whole square, so 1 minus m upon twice rho whole square, and this get cancelled because of the whole square distribute here. So this is equals to 1 plus m upon twice rho whole bracket square and 1 plus m upon twice rho whole bracket square. So square square plus, that is equals to 4. So minus 1 plus m upon twice rho to the power 4 d rho square minus this term is nothing but rho square 1 plus m upon twice rho to the power 4 d theta square plus sine square theta d phi square plus this term as it is 1 minus m upon twice rho whole square divided by 1 plus m upon twice rho whole square dt square, right? Now we can take the common 1 plus m upon twice rho from this term, so it is equals to minus 1 plus m upon twice rho to the power 4 d rho square, in bracket d rho square, as here taking common, so here remains with d rho square and remaining with rho square and this bracket term, so plus rho square d theta square plus sine square theta d phi square bracket complete plus 1 minus m upon twice rho square upon 1 plus m upon twice rho whole bracket square dt square. So we get the required form. So this is our required form, that is isotropic form of the Schwarzschild exterior solution, as this can be seen from this. That is our this given equation is in this form, as here the function of r dr square plus r square into the bracket term plus b of r, that is r is here and dt square. So r is, we are changing the coordinate transformation r by rho, so we have here rho and here is r. Okay, so this form that we have derived here is the isotropic form of a Schwarzschild exterior solution. Thus we get the required form, and now we give this as a equation number 2, and this is required isotropic form in coordinates. Our coordinates are rho, comma, theta, comma, phi, comma, t. In this coordinate we get the required isotropic form. Now we discuss this form for the weak gravitational field. Okay, so for weak gravitational field, we have, for weak gravitational field we have m upon rho is very smaller than 1. Okay, so for weak gravitational field we are taking m upon rho is smaller than 1, and then expanding, we are expanding g11 is this term and g44 is our this term. So we expand g11 and g44 up to the first order of m upon rho, because it is small, so m upon rho is very smaller than 1, so m square upon rho square tending to 0, that is the powers of m upon rho, it goes to 0 as it is very small. So as the powers of m upon rho increases, this tends to 0, and therefore we are taking this, the power of m upon rho up to the first order. Okay, so because of the weak gravitational field we have then expanding g11 and g44 in equation 2 to the first order in m upon rho, we get, okay, so we are expanding this in the first order, we get G11, which is equals to, what is G11 equals to? Minus 1 plus m upon twice rho to the power 4, and which is approximately equals to minus 1 plus twice m upon rho. This is because since by binomial expansion, so from the binomial expansion that for a plus b, here is the power 4, so we write a plus b to the power 4 as 4c0 a to the power 4 b0, right? We can write this binomial expansion in the form a to the power 4 b to the power 0 4c1 a cube b1, okay, plus 4c2 a square b square plus 4c3 a b cube plus 4c4 a to the power 0 b to the power 4, okay. So in this form we have the binomial expansion, and NCR, this is equals to, in a combinatorial, NCR is nothing but our n factorial upon r factorial in bracket n minus r factorial, okay. So we apply here to this term, and a is equals to, here for this a is equals to 1 and b is equals to m upon twice rho, okay. So for this expansion we are taking a equals to 1 and b equals to m upon twice rho, and therefore by applying here 1 plus m upon twice rho to the power 4, this is equals to 4c0, and 4c0 is nothing but our, and c0 is always equals to 1, so 4c0 equals to 1, a to the power 4, that is 1 to the power 4 into b to the power 0, that is m upon twice rho to the power 0 is again 1, so first term is our equals to 1, plus second term, that is 4c1 a cube, that is 1 cube into m upon twice rho, and 4c1 is nothing but our, what is 4c1? 4c1 is equals to, from this formula, 4 factorial upon 1 factorial 4 minus 1 factorial. So computing this we get 4c1 is equals to 4 and m upon twice rho, plus here b, here it is a first order. Now after that b square, that is m upon twice rho whole square, that is the order is increasing, and we have to expand this up to the first order. So we are taking only first two term, okay. So 1 plus 4 upon, that is we are approximating this to first order, so 1 plus 4 m upon twice rho, 2 ones are 2 twos are, and so this is approximately equals to 1 plus twice m upon rho. So in this way we have the expanding G11, we have minus 1 plus twice m upon rho for the weak gravitational field, and similarly this is by binomial expansion. Similarly G44, which is equals to 1 minus, what is G44? Here G44 equals to 1 minus m upon twice rho whole bracket square, and this is going in denominator, this denominator taking the numerator, we have 1 plus m upon twice rho to the power minus 2, okay. So this 2 goes to numerator, we have minus 2, and this is equals to, now expanding this by the formula of a minus b whole square, so 1 minus m upon rho plus m square upon 4 rho square in bracket, again expanding this whole square, minus 2 is here, so we can write this as 2 to the power minus 1, okay. So we expand here 1 plus m upon rho plus m square upon 4 rho square whole to the power minus 1, okay. So we are writing this minus 2 as minus 1 into 2, minus 1 into 2, so we are taking the squaring and to the power minus 1 we are taking here. So this is equals to, now up to first approximation 1 minus, we write this as a 1 minus m upon rho. Okay, up to first, the highest power is negligible because of this gravitational field. M upon rho is very, very smaller than 1. So this power is tends to 0. So m square upon 4 rho square. We are not taking this. We are taking up to the first order. So this is equals to this. And same m square upon 4 rho square is not in our term. So this is approximately equals to 1 plus m upon rho. Its inverse. Okay. Now applying the formula of minus 1, that is 1 plus x is equals to 1 minus x plus x square minus x cube plus and so on. So applying this term here, this is approximately equals to 1 minus m upon rho in bracket 1 minus m upon rho. Using this 1 minus m upon rho plus m square upon rho square plus and so on. So as again we are taking up to the first order approximation. So this is approximately equals to 1 minus m upon rho into 1 minus m upon rho, as all these terms are neglected. So we have only 1 minus m upon rho. Now 1 minus m upon rho into 1 minus m upon rho. So this is bracket square, and we expand the bracket square. That is approximately equals to now 1 minus twice m upon rho plus m square upon rho square. That is expanding this bracket 1 minus m upon rho. So this G44 again approximating up to first order. So this higher order get neglected, and we have 1 minus twice m upon rho. So G44 is approximately equals to 1 minus twice m upon rho. And thus for a weak gravitational field, our G11 and G44 is approximated, and hence our isotropic form takes the form as, that is equation 2 implies dA square equals to 1 minus minus in bracket 1 plus twice m upon rho d rho square in bracket d rho square plus rho square sine square theta d phi square plus 1 minus twice m upon 1 minus twice m upon rho dt square. Okay, so we complete here the isotropic form, and this is the isotropic form in the weak gravitational field by approximating the G11 and G44 up to the first order term. So we get this form. Now I am stop my lecture. Thank you everyone.